In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit a received email in Outlook. This method works on the classic Microsoft Outlook desktop version and is perfect if you're new to this feature. First, open Outlook and locate the email you want to edit. Double-click the email so it opens in a separate window. It must be opened this way for editing to work properly. With the email open, look at the top ribbon and find the Actions button, usually located inside the Move group. Click Actions, then select Edit Message from the drop-down menu. This will enable edit mode for the email. Now you can modify the subject line, edit the body text, or add any notes you want to keep for yourself. This is useful for correcting typos, adding reminders, or organizing your inbox more effectively. Once you've made your changes, save them by pressing Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac. You can also click File and choose Save from the menu. Your edited version will now appear in your inbox with all the updates you made. These edits are only visible to you and do not change the original message the sender sent. This simple feature can help you stay organized and manage your inbox more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful Outlook tips.